Welcome to another Daily Classics top pick based on originality, condition, and price. Today's feature car is a 1990 Chrysler Imperial. You're going to love this K car. Oops, no, it's not a K car, but you're going to love this car. My name is Rob Lofaris. You're watching the Daily Classics channel. Let's have some fun and check this car out. I found this car on Craigslist actually this morning. It's really pretty. It's a 1990 Chrysler Imperial Mark Cross Edition. It's got 116,000 miles with a little bit on the high side. It's garage kept. He's only asking $4,500, and the car is based in Hollywood, Florida. So this car is a very interesting car because most people will think that this car is a K car, but it's really not. It was built off the Y platform, and the Y platform is the front wheel drive platform that was developed from the K car as the K car got older. But it is a larger mid-sized car. And in this car is stretched and much, much more luxurious than the Chrysler New Yorker that was offered for sale that year as well. So this car here has, leather interior. It has really an enlarged seating area in the rear. Let's go blow up some of these photos and have a look at this car. This is the ad right here. It was posted 10 days ago. I'm sure the car might still be around. He's saying that the car is mint condition. And let's blow up these photos. So you can see the cutoff of the roof. It's a drop down rear window, like a luxury limousine at the time. This is Lee Iacocca's car. I think he gave one of these to Frank Sinatra. It's really a stately car. The car really drives well, and it's hard to imagine that. But I worked at National Car Rental when these cars would be given out as daily rentals on the high end side, on the premium clients, and I used to take these cars home all the time. And I was pleasantly surprised how wonderful these cars are. So the Mark Cross Edition gave you like these leather pouches that look like little suitcases, the tufted leather in the door panels. It gave you little opera windows and also a reading light in the back so you can read your Wall Street Journal as your chauffeur drove you to work every day. But this leather interior is super soft and it's in really nice condition. Again, based in Florida, the car was probably garaged all this time. Extra seating surfaces, I don't know how many inches, but I think it's like 3 or 4 inches more than the normal New Yorker. And overall, on the walk around on the car, just on the photos, it's hard to really find any fault with this car, remembering that it's just $4,500. But the paint does look to be original. The pinstripe here on the door looks to be original. Um, the car might need a cleaning. I think the car could be cleaned up a little bit, but yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I love that waterfall grille on this car. It is so beautiful. I mean, at the time we just didn't pay attention to these cars, and I think today these cars have some nice appeal. So they surprisingly ride very well for being a K car, and I don't think this car here was $25,000 new back then, so this was not a cheap car. So this was Chrysler's way of trying to go upscale. They had recovered from the bankruptcy, and they started to really get more into producing cars that customers wanted. And I think a lot of people, they were missing out on this luxury appeal. So boy, if this car was around today, every Uber driver would be owning one of these things, right? Anyway, it's a really nice car. For me, on the headlines, it's only $4,500. And if it's as original as it looks in the photographs, even with 116,000 miles, I think this is a deal all day long to have some fun with. And rather than going out and paying $47,000 on a new car, you can buy this beautiful car for $4,500. I've seen these photos before. This is a dealer, most likely. He stages these cars at this country club here, wherever he's located. So I'm believing this person is a dealer that has this car. So he's quite active, I think, on Craigslist and eBay as well. So hopefully he's a reputable seller, and this car is the real deal as it shows. So I love it. So that's it. So that wraps up our daily pick for today. To get all the details on this beautiful car, go to my Facebook page here. That will take you right to the link. You can join the conversation with 10,200 members that we have there. Please subscribe to this channel. We really need your support. We'd like to get more subscribers out there so we can do live Q&A, and please share with friends that like cars as well. Thanks very much. We'll see you soon again. As these cars come up, I'm going to be posting them. So be on the lookout for the next top pick from Daily Classics. Thanks very much. Have a good day.